Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking updates about the highly anticipated Nintendo Switch 2. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. We've uncovered some game changing leaks and exclusive information that suggest significant upgrades over the original Nintendo Switch. This is not just speculation, there's some compelling evidence that hints at a major evolution in Nintendo's gaming console lineup. Let's get into the details of these exciting developments. This problem has caused countless headaches for gamers, leading to numerous lawsuits and forcing Nintendo to take action with repairs and replacements. From the standard Nintendo Switch to the Switch Lite and Switch OLED, users have faced this problem right from the start, requiring warranty claims and repairs. Hosiden Patents, filed by a key partner, Hosiden Corporation, the manufacturer of the Joy-Con control sticks, reveal a potential redesign that could revolutionize joystick technology. This isn't just another patent filing. Hosiden has a history of reliable innovations in this space. To understand why these new patents are so significant, let's rewind to 2015 and 2016. If Nintendo integrates these Hall effect sensors into the Switch 2, it could mark a monumental leap in controller reliability and performance. Even though Sony and Microsoft haven't fully embraced this technology for their controllers, Nintendo's potential adoption of it signals a major upgrade. Alongside the controller advancements, other leaked specifications hint at an impressive upgrade for the Nintendo Switch 2. Rumors suggest the new console will feature the T239 chip, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and an 8-inch display. As we continue to dig into these leaks, it becomes clear that the Nintendo Switch 2 could be a substantial upgrade over its predecessor. In conclusion, the new patents from Hosiden Corporation offer strong evidence that the Nintendo Switch 2 will feature Hall effect sensor joysticks, a significant enhancement over the original Joy-Cons. This development underscores Nintendo's commitment to improving their gaming hardware and addressing the concerns of their community. Stay tuned to the channel for more updates as we continue to follow this exciting story. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on these developments. Are you excited about the potential improvements in the Nintendo Switch 2? Let us know. We'll catch you in the next video with more exciting tech news and updates.